Wow. No. So guys, before we continue to our vlog, let's look at today's sponsor. So thank you Tears of THEMIS for sponsoring this video. I'm going to share something with you guys because lately I've been addicted to this game, and this involves the names Marius, Luke, Vin, and Artem. And if you guys know them, you know that I'm talking about the game Tears of THEMIS, and this is actually produced by Hoyoverse, and this is a game of romance and wits. And if you know Hoyoverse, they are the one who produced Genshin Impact as well. So you know that this game is really worth trying because alam niyo naman yung quality ng Genshin, and this game's quality is really chef's kiss, guys. As in, guys, to give you a little bit more background about the game, this is actually an atomic game, so it means that this game is specifically for girls or women. And ang nagustuhan ko dito and nagpa-hook talaga sa akin is not just the romance feature or element of it, but the mystery thriller. Magiging detective ka sa game na to, which I like. I really like yung mga thriller, crime scene, detective type of movies. So talagang sabi ko, this game is for me, and I believe a lot of you guys are gonna be interested in that as well. So guys, this game has been released last 2021, but the reason why I'm talking about this now is because I'm very excited because they have just released an event called Bizarre the Shreds of Red. So basically, it's like a special limited time season of this game, and for this event, it has a historical theme. At syempre, present pa rin yung 4 leads natin. The graphics, the visuals, the characters, it's just really great quality. So if you're into anime, if you're into crime scene, detective, thriller, mystery, this game, magugustuhan nyo to. And guys, aside from the high quality visuals, the reason why I got hooked to this game is because sobrang entertaining niya talaga, because it's a detective game system nga. And diba, it's more than just a romantic dating game. You can actually roam around, collect evidence from 3D crime scenes, and guys, may actual court trial talaga siya. And this game is actually a series, so every episode is a separate story, but all the stories will lead you to solve the mystery of the game. So may pa-suspense effect talaga siya. And guys, you also have a chance to connect with the 4 characters, which is Artem, Vin, Luke, and Marius, because each of them has an individual story. So you can connect with them using the messages, video calls, and a lot of interactive games. So I'm pretty sure that this game will not bore you at all. And I think the game creators made this game extra entertaining kasi look at the artworks and visual of each character, and this is not your usual characters in game talaga. Guys, if you're looking for more than just a romantic game, and if you crave adventure, challenges, and eye-candy visuals, I highly suggest that you download Tears of THEMIS now. And the new SSR cards have been available last January 12 pa, so make sure to check that out. And of course, follow Tears of THEMIS on all of their social media accounts for more updates. Thank you again, Tears of THEMIS, for sponsoring this video. Hi guys, good morning. It is 8:56 a.m. It's December 3. Happy December, guys. It's a Saturday, and today I am actually gonna go to Vertis or Trinoma with JP because we're gonna go Christmas shopping kasi actually super busy ko this December because guys, sa January birthday ko na ganyan, and I'm preparing for my birthday shoot, ganun. So sobrang busy ko kaya rin wala akong upload, so I'm very sorry, but ayan, now mag-aayos ako. And guys, alam nyo, ang ganda ng skin ko lately, as in I'm actually wearing a dress, and di ko alam kung good idea yun kasi magko-commute lang kami. Pero let's see, tapos naka-white pa ako, diba? Anong decision yan nila? Pero si JP na ba yun? Alam nyo guys, ang usapan namin 10 AM, dapat nakaalis na kami. It's currently 8:57 and so hindi ko sure. And ayun, I'm just gonna get ready and do my usual makeup and my hair. I'm planning to curl it, pero Hindi ko sure kasi, guys, basa pa din yung buhok ko hanggang ngayon. So, yeah. Let's just see later. Papakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko and my makeup look. So, ayun. Bye! So, guys, this is my outfit. I'm wearing this white dress and alam ko it's not commute friendly pero it's my first time wearing this dress kasi and super gusto ko talaga siya kasi ang ganda nung ditong part. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing these parang platforms like a Doc Martens type of vibes. And I think I got this a long time ago. Pinadala lang siya sa akin. Pero it's actually good quality. I'm gonna try to find it. Pero ayan siya. Kaya today, hi guys, we're gonna bowling. Oh, siya una. He's pressured. Feel ko puro kanal. Ako na ba? My turn. Kala ka ba bowlerist ka? Yes. I am judging you from head to toe. Mamaya. Kanal yan.
Ang importante may isa. Nice try. Good game.
Deserve.
Eh! Uy, wala. Wow.
No. Isa lang. No? Nanalo ko, guys. I won the first game. Kanal. Nakakatuwa pa yun.
Wala pa yun. Tayo naman, para sa akin.
So, hi guys, it is currently 1:12 p.m. It's Tuesday, December 6. I just finished my classes kanina around 12 p.m. and today I'm gonna go to the gym early. And guys, alam niyo ba, I've been going to the gym for almost a month now. Guys, be proud kasi ngayon na ako naging consistent sa workout ko in general. Kasi before, hindi naman ako nag-gym, puro home workouts lang. Tapos naisip ko, parang hindi siya nag-work sa akin, ganyan. So, naisip ko na mag-gym and especially, I am preparing for my birthday shoot. So, ayun, kaya nag-gym na rin ako. And now, I'm just shaking my protein shake kasi ang advice sa akin ng trainer ko is to take the protein shake 30 minutes before going to the gym or after your workout. And ayun guys, I'm gonna take you along with me sa gym and I'm just gonna finish this on the way there kasi gusto ko na umalis ngayon kasi ayoko gabihin sa gym. Pero ayun, let's go.
I thought about you today and I don't know if I'm okay. I know that something ain't right. These thoughts aren't just in my mind.
Hello! So, it's currently 10:28 AM na. And nakaligo na ako. Nakakain na rin ako ng breakfast. And ayan, now I'm gonna start reviewing na. And hopefully, hindi ako late matapos. Pero I doubt kasi, ewan ko, mas gumagana yung utak ko sa gabi. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang yun. Pero kapag gabi, parang mas naka-absorb siya ng information. Or dahil tamad lang ako sa umaga. And I'm going to review. And I'm gonna update you guys later. Siguro mag-order ako ng kape mamaya. At tagal ko na rin hindi nagkakape. And bala ko mag-try ng bagong drink from Starbucks. Because I don't know kung ano yung holiday or Christmas drinks nila. So I want to try one of those later. Pero, ayan.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. The corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little
Mayora pang ano.
Hey, hold up on my call right back. Money hit my line, I got my mind on space. Been there for a minute, you know I can't cap. Simmer down, we know that you not like that. You came out this way, so you might as well stay for the vibes, peace and quiet. Ain't this what you dream of when you close your eyelids? Picture perfect, super vibe.
Hi guys! So for today's agenda, actually, nag-wrap ako ngayon ng gifts ko for JP because siya na lang yung hindi ko pa nabibigyan ng gift. Like, nabigyan ko na yung friends ko, nabigyan ko na si mama. So, siya na lang hindi ko nabibigyan because wala siya ngayon dito. Nasa Baguio siya. Pero, ayun, I'm going to wrap his gifts and I'm gonna show you guys yung gifts. And I think dito rin sa vlog na to yung, kasi gusto ko i-film yung parang gift exchange namin. So, I think dito sa vlog ko na to isasama yon. Pero, wait, let me show you the gifts. And I have two little helpers here na hindi naman tumutulong. Mas pinapaano lang nila yung trabaho ko. Pero, this is Dash and this is Violet. And this is actually JP's puppy. Magkapatid silang dalawa kasi anak sila ni Thor. Guys, this first box is filled with a lot of Torani, mga sauces, and then yung mga syrups nila. If you guys are mahilig sa coffee, ganyan, alam nyong itong mga to, these are like essentials kapag like gusto nyo maging barista at home. Second box naman, ito talaga yung nasa wishlist niya. And ito, in stacks. And ito kasi, hindi, sabi niya, gusto daw niya nito. So, we can take Polaroid pics din. Kasi guys, wala pa may Polaroid pictures. Pero, ayan. Then this one naman is a mic. Kasi guys, si JP, streamer siya. If you guys didn't know, Valorant streamer siya. And, napansin ko rin, kapag nagdi-Discord kami, sobrang sabog minsan ng audio niya. And I'm also gonna include some Polaroid pictures na, ito yung ginamit ko actually kanina sa pag-take ng mga to. Pero it's just a picture of me and the dogs. Ito, me and Thor. And then ito, me and Violet. And then si Dash. Pero, ayan, I'm just gonna include it here. Oh my god, this little helper. Kinakagat niya yung box. Don't kagat your box. Don't kagat the box, please. Don't kagat the box. But yeah, basically, my plan is hindi ko na i-wrap yung buong, like yung brown na box. Ang gagawin ko na lang, i-wrap ko individual yung mga nasa loob para naman may element of surprise pa din kapag binuksan niya. Pero, yeah, that's the plan. I'm just gonna, like, i-wrap ko lang talaga to na parang isi-squish ko lang yung wrapping paper. Pero, ayun, I'm gonna update you guys once I'm finished. Pero, hopefully, maayos naman yung pagkakaraw.